Felix Tanui. I'm the Director of Programs in the Executive Office of the President and also the team leader of the Western Circuit in this very important exercise of public participation. We are all aware that on the 14th of October 2025, the Executive Office of the President published the call for memoranda from the public and all the stakeholders on two very important documents. One is the policy on the ethnic minorities and marginalized communities, and also the bill on the ethnic minorities and marginalized community. We have been in the Western region for 4 days now. We began in Busia County. We went to Bungoma. Yesterday we were in Vihiga, and today we are here in this great county of Kakamega. Why are we here? We are here to collect the views from the public on the two documents that I have mentioned. This is in line with the Constitution to ensure that before a policy is passed, before any bill is passed, public participation is very important. And that is why, therefore, we're here. We have gathered very insightful views from the residents of the 4 counties of Western Circuit. We have also received views, memoranda, both written and verbal as well. We also had provided an email address, and our team is also collecting and collating all the information and the views from our public through the email address as well. So we have had a good time. I really want to appreciate the people of Kakamega County and all the other 3 counties as well for coming out in large numbers. We've had varied groups. A county, for example, Bungoma, we had close to 15 ethnic minority groups that were represented. Thank you. Thank you. We first need to be cognizant of the fact that since the promulgation of the Constitution in 2010, Article 56 and Article 100 of the Constitution, Parliament was expected to enact laws that will then allow the implementation of those articles in the Constitution. Unfortunately, for 15 years, that has not happened. I really want to thank His Excellency the President, because he has taken it upon himself to ensure that these 2 articles are implemented. And therefore, our responsibility was to ensure that we gather the views of all the citizens and all the stakeholders as far as all the issues that are in either the bill or the policy. As to the details, because our responsibility is to collect the views, collate for purposes of these 2, I will not respond to the issues therein. Our responsibility today was purely to collect the views, and I'm happy to report that their views have been very insightful. Their views have been very candid. Different ethnic minorities have unique challenges, and based on their views and based on their recommendation, we are extremely hopeful that we'll have a bill that will reflect the wishes and the desires of all the ethnic minority groups and the marginalized. At the same time, I want to give an indication and a commitment that this process is at the heart of His Excellency the President, and therefore the views that have been given will be taken seriously by this administration, by His Excellency the President, and there is a commitment that on the 18th of December, which is the day designated for celebrating the minorities and the marginalized worldwide, that will be a day that His Excellency the President will be able to tell Kenyans the progress that we have made as far as these 2 documents are concerned. Thank you. That in addition to the policy and the bill, His Excellency the President has personally taken the commitment to ensure that the issues of minorities and marginalized have been addressed by all agencies of government. All MDAs have put the programs of the minorities and the marginalized in their performance contracting. And therefore, we only hope, and that's the commitment of His Excellency the President, that the bill that will be signed into law will ensure that all the commitment that he has given, that it will be enforced. And he is at the front. He is taking the lead in ensuring that all the issues that have been raised over time have actually been addressed. More importantly, we all acknowledge that the issues of the marginalized and the minorities in Kenya did not just start the other day. They are actually issues that have been historical in nature. We've been given stories of early 1940s, even before the colonial. And those are the issues that still persist. And therefore, we feel that this is the right time that these issues are addressed. And His Excellency the President is at the forefront of ensuring that these are addressed. Thank you.